Yo, what's good, guys? Let me come off this. Okay, cool. So, what's good, guys? It's your boy One Trizzy 13 from 13.com. Today, I'm gonna show you how to record a hook on an R&B song. Not so much about the mixing, just about how to record some vocals. So, I've got my vocal tracking, which I use on every song. This is my tracking track, my tracking track. It's the track that I record my take on, and then I drag it down to the vocal channel that I want it to be on for later on mixing. So here's a beat I got. It's an order. Customer placed the order through the website. So here's the beat that he sent me. He's a producer, really really good producer. So here's the beat. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. So it's an R&B beat. I'm gonna lace the hook. So here we go. Testing. Girl, I'ma take my time all on your body. Girl, I'ma take my time all on your body. Girl, I'ma take my time all on your body. Oh, tonight you're gonna be my nasty lover. So let's hear how that sounds. So once I've recorded it there, I drag it down to my my singing vocal track, and then we can hear it. We can hear it back. Let's hear it. Girl, I'ma take my time all on your body. Girl, I'ma take my time all on your body. Girl, I'ma take my time all on your body. Oh, tonight you're gonna be my nasty lover. Sounding good? How's that sounding? I like that. So now I'm gonna record the double. Or I'm actually gonna record the backing vocals for it. So two backing vocals and then two harmonies. That's what I usually do. So let's do the backings. Girl, I'ma take my time all on your body. Girl, I'ma take my time all on your body. Girl, I'ma take my time all on your body. Oh, tonight you're gonna be my nasty lover. Once that's recorded, I drag it down. So if we remove that's because that's at the minute that's a backing that I've done. So that's the main. Girl, I'ma take my time all on your body. Girl, I'ma take my time all on your body. Girl, I'ma take my time all on your body. Girl, I'ma take my time all on your body. Girl, I'ma take my. That sounds good. I'm gonna go ahead and record the third backing. Girl, I'ma take my time all on your body. Girl, I'ma take my time all on your body. Girl, I'ma take my time all on your body. Oh, tonight you're gonna be my nasty lover. Drag that down. Girl, I'ma take my time all on your body. Girl, I'ma take my time all on your body. Girl, I'ma take my time all on your body. Oh, tonight you're gonna be my nasty lover. So now I'm gonna do the harmonies. Try and catch the harmonies. Let's hear it. Girl, I'ma take my time all on your body. Girl, I'ma take my time all on your body. Girl, I'ma take my time all on your body. Oh, tonight you're gonna be my night. Yeah. Girl, I'ma take my time all on your body. Girl, I'ma take my time all on your body. Girl, I'ma take my time all on your body. Oh, tonight you're gonna be my nasty lover. I might chop off the ends. Girl, I'ma take my time all on your body. Girl, I'ma take my time all on your body. Girl, I'ma take my time all on your body. Oh, tonight you're gonna be my nasty lover. I'm gonna fill on the ends. Tonight you're gonna be my. Oh, tonight you're gonna be my nasty lover. Oh, tonight you're gonna be my nasty lover. Try and get that harmony is a bit tricky.
Tonight you gon' be my nasty lover. My time all on your body. Tonight you gon' be my nasty lover.
See how that sounds.
Tonight you gon' be my nasty lover.
Like that.
Tonight girl, I'ma take my time, I'ma take my time all on your body. Girl, I'ma take my time, I'ma take my time all on your body. Girl, I'ma take my time, I'ma take my time all on your body. Girl, I'ma take my time, I'ma take my time all on your body. Girl, I'ma take my time, I'ma take my time all on your body.
I need to get that third harmony. Here we go.
Girl, I'ma take my time, I'ma take my time all on your body. Girl, I'ma take my time, I'ma take my time all on your body. Girl, I'ma take my time, I'ma take my time all on your body.
Here we go.
Girl, I'ma take my time, I'ma take my time all on your body. Girl, I'ma take my time, I'ma take my time all on your body. Girl, I'ma take my time, I'ma take my time all on your body. Tonight you gon' be my nasty lover.
Let's see how that sounds.
Girl, I'ma take my time, I'ma take my time all on your body. Girl, I'ma take my time, I'ma take my time all on your body. Girl, I'ma take my time, I'ma take my time all on your body. Girl, I'ma take my time, I'ma take my time all on your body. Tonight you gon' be my nasty lover. Girl, I'ma take my time, I'ma take my time all on your body. Girl, I'ma take my time, I'ma take my time all on your body. Girl, I'ma take my time, I'ma take my time all on your body. Tonight you gon' be my nasty lover.
So earlier I recorded something else as well. Let's hear that back. It's like a backing harmony. It goes like this.
I'ma take my time on your body. I'ma take my time, I'ma take my time.
Not sure if I want it. It might sound nice if I fix it up. So yeah, so that's what it is. How to record a R&B chorus. If you need any R&B vocals, head over to my website, and I'll be happy to help you out. And yeah, that is literally it. If you also want to get this template, it's a great template. It's called my ultimate recording template. It's when I go to new. I start it up at the beginning of every track I do. It's got your instrumental, you place your instrumental there, your recording track, you got your distortion pack, you got your singing vocal pack, and you got your rap vocal pack as well. So it's got everything you need to get started making your record, so you don't have to add tracks. It's all compacted, fully nice, the right tracks. It tells you where to put your backing vocals, your harmonies, your left harmonies, how much to pan it left, how much to pan it right. It's quite handy. It's also got your pitch finder, so if you do want to apply auto-tune, you can find the right pitch and stuff like that, and so it's handy. Again, you can download that from my website as well. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.